My name is Ben and I'm the CEO of Wherewolf. Together with my co-founder Wolf, we wanted to create a company that streamlined businesses, that helped accelerate them into the digital era and to increase revenue by doing less. Wherewolf creates bespoke digital check-ins that collects information from customers that the business wants, displays it how they need it, and collects it for complete analytics. This includes operational information like shoe size or weight, marketing information like where are you from and how did you hear about us, and the legal information like agreeing to the terms and conditions and the signature. The advantage to using Wherewolf is that you're speeding up a current process, checking in or registering guests. But now that information is digital, it becomes so much more versatile. In this example with Body Sanctum, they're collecting the medical information and areas to focus on or avoid in a massage. You would have seen this in physios or chiropractors also. The most excitement around Wherewolf is the level of functionality in the dashboard. Depending on your business, you can view customers on a trip manifest, view medical information or individual treatment notes. You can group customers together, allocate a staff member, assign equipment or create a trip report, add activities, weights, notes, store and access your legal waivers, keep track of purchases on the tally sheet, and view all the analytics. We have created a suite of functionality that optimizes businesses' workflows. Simply put, you know the for office use only part on a form, we have nailed that. The traction we have so far extends to 9 countries, with 120 paying clients in under 2 years. It is our international expansion that we want to focus on. Because of the level of functionality we provide, we have clients in these industries using our software and loving it. Our client referrals are our biggest sales channel. The team that makes all this happen, my co-founder Wolf is the CTO who heads the development and myself the CEO. We're the only 2 directors, however Jason is our accountant from Legacy Accountants and sits on our board meetings as an advisor. And Chris was our first ever customer who bought 10% when I told him about the idea. I must point out that before any investment we would formally change the shareholding to be 5% Chris and 5% a staff trust, and Wolf and I are 45% each. The rest of the team who help us achieve our vision are mainly based in Queenstown, with Justin based in Sydney as our Australian sales rep and Ollie starting next week as our European sales rep. Our competition is siloed examples, apps that do part of what Wherewolf does, like data collection or digital waivers. We have created a very linear system that captures the waiver and the survey in a kiosk-style, unsupervised check-in. It has the operational power and the analytics. To look at a case example, last year, DocuSign partnered with Microsoft and raised $85 million. This year, raising $233 million at a $3 billion valuation. This is just to show there is big money in removing the inefficiencies of paper forms. However, our point of difference is, and reading from the screen, we empower businesses to streamline their workflows by focusing on the operational use of the data collected. We've gone beyond just collecting a signature and statistics. How we make money is by charging a high setup fee and an ongoing monthly licensing fee. The sales team cherry-pick the companies most in need of the solution that are happy to pay for it. Our goal is to reduce the setup fee to encourage a wider audience to join and achieve exponential growth. Our operating costs are around $30,000 per month. Our income varies with monthly sales. Some months would be like $30,000, others maybe only $10,000, but the burn rate averages out to be about $8,000 per month. But with our UK sales executive starting next week, we should be at break even within 2 months' time. Our goal is to increase the number of clients paying a monthly licensing fee. In this forecast, there are 3 examples. If we change nothing and keep signing up customers at the same rate, in 12 months we would have 245 customers and $21,000 of monthly recurring revenue. Focusing on areas to grow, like adding a UK sales rep and others I'll explain, the medium growth, we would have 348 clients and $26,000 of recurring revenue. But focusing on the good growth, because of our strategy, will see us grow to 569 clients and $44,000 of monthly recurring revenue. Now that's a big jump, so I'll show you how we achieve this. By achieving our milestones, this is what we've set for the next 12 months. Milestone number 1 is to have a strategic relationship through integration and leveraging off their client base. We aim to have 12 in 12 months. I'll give you 2 examples of this. Integrating with accommodation reservation systems will allow us to pull data and pre-populate the custom information that they already have. When they arrive at check-in, they'll complete the information and send it back to the reservation system. The last time you checked in at a hotel, you still would have had to sign the paper form. Our first partner for this is ResBook, who have 800 clients. From there, it would move to Guestcentrix. The next example would be like a paintball company. In the dashboard, they use the tally sheet to keep track of the customer's purchases, like how many paintballs they've used, soft drinks or chocolate bars. At the end, when they come to pay, the information could be sent to a program like Vend for point of sale and inventory management. Milestone number 2 is to productize Wherewolf. This is allowing customers to go to the website and build their own check-in by drag and drop, removing our development time and allowing for exponential growth. Milestone number 3 is to have clients in 20 countries. Milestone 4, to have 500 check-in apps created. Because it is at this level our passive income sustains our current growth rate. And milestone number 5, to complete and have active clients using the scuba diving app and the skydiving app. The abilities for these companies to automate weight and balance for flight loading, trip and dive logs. This allows us to charge at least 3 times more than the other clients, as it's a huge pain we're solving. Still, simply using the information that has been collected at check-in. Our exit options would be acquisition from one of these examples. Could be companies who want the information we gather. For example, TripAdvisor. We've already sent 500,000 emails asking people to rate companies on their site from the operators. They make monies from bookings on their site. It could be companies who want access to our clients, like DocuSign, to have complete control of paperless solutions. Companies that benefit from our product being in the market, like Apple. So far we're responsible for the purchase of about 300 iPads. I've already presented to Apple in Sydney and they're dying for us to go native. Or simply companies that want our revenue. For the valuation, I won't dare stand here and say we'll be worth $40 million or $400 million or $4 billion in years to come. However, I will say our goal is to have 15,000 clients within 5 years, generating a minimum of $15 million per annum. Hopefully, that indicates our mindset and our motivation. With our current traction, the quality of our product, and the exceptional features we have in the pipeline, we are hunting for the right partnership and a $450,000 investment on a $2.8 million pre-money valuation. We'll be using the money to achieve the milestones explained by hiring new staff to help with development, digital strategy and channel sales, also to help bridge the gap between a lower setup cost to help onboard more clients to the point that passive income sustains the current growth rate. I hope you can join us in further developing a product that helps businesses grow. Thank you.